Welcome to the Active Campaign Power Start course. Thank you for investing your time and your money in this course. I'd like to take an opportunity now to introduce myself, go over the course in an overview level, and look at the goals for this course and what we'll be trying to achieve. So who am I? I'm Rob Wilson. I'm the businessman. I have a background in IT and running businesses, and I'll do a lot of stuff to do with automating business processes and building business improving systems. I've recently gone through a whole set of certifications with Digital Marketer, which give me a bit of an insight into the bigger picture, and I became an Active Campaign user about 4 or 5 months ago. So the course itself, I'm going to go into how to switch to Active Campaign, or how to start using Active Campaign. So particularly if you've been using another product like Aweber or MailChimp, I'm going to go over the differences and how you move your clients, your email list over into Active Campaign. But equally well, if Active Campaign is the first product that you're going to use, I'm going to go into enough detail to get you started, to get you going, and to pull it all together. So we're going to review the main moving parts, lists, forms, the automations and tagging, which are the main power behind Active Campaign and the reason really why I switched over to Active Campaign. We'll look at those in overview, and then we'll look at those in more depth and go step by step on how you create forms, for example, how you use other third parties if you want to, like Optimize Press or Thrive Leads, to give you nicer looking forms. We're going to go into in-depth into all the main processes and steps behind an Active Campaign. We'll look at broadcasting and some of the nice things you can do with little tricks and surprises and Easter eggs you can do with broadcasting. We're going to look at reporting, and then the most powerful bit of it all really is knowing behind how you organise everything behind the scenes. So the different naming conventions that I use as an example, and how you can make sure that what starts up as a small set of automation and lists will grow into something bigger, and making sure you can manage that by putting the planning in place right from day one. So we'll be putting that all together, all the organisation planning and how to do things to create you the best possible Active Campaign setup. And then we'll round it off with some example automations and some things that I use, so you can get an idea of how other people are using the product. So the goals of the course, to help you switch over and start using Active Campaign, really to build some foundations, show you the power of automation and tagging, get you organised properly, and then make you turn you into an Active Campaign advanced user, so that you can make the best out of the system and grow your business.